Here the number of distinct values or solutions of sec theta plus tan theta is equal to root 3. That theta value lies between 0 to 360 degrees. Here, if sec theta plus tan theta is equal to root 3, implies its reciprocal sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. These are both are reciprocals. We add these terms and plus 2 sec theta is equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 3. So this value root 3 plus 1 by root 3. It is 4 by root 3. So here 2 twice. Sec theta is equal to 2 by root 3. Then cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Then theta is equal to 30 degrees. That is 5 by 6. Only one value. Only one value. So in the answers, option 1, 3 values, 2, 4 values, 3, 5 values, 4, none. So none option. There is 3, 4, 5 values are there, but we get only one value. That's why answer none. Second question. The value of 3 plus cot 76 cot 16 degrees by cot 76 plus cot 16 degrees is equal to, here options, cot 44, number 2, tan 44, 3, tan 2 degrees, cot 46 degrees. Here 3 plus cot 76 cot 16, division of cot 76 plus cot 16. This is converted to cos by sin. 3 plus cos 76 by sin 76 and cos 16 by sin 16, division of cos 76 division sin 76 plus cos 16 by sin 16. After LCM, it is 3 sin 76 sin 16 plus cos 76 cos 16 by, here sin 16 cos 76 cos 76 sin 16 plus sin 76 cos 16, division of sin 76 sin 16. Here also division sin 76 sin 16. So this denominator is cancelled. So remaining this 3 is written as 2 sin 76 sin 16. This is separated. Another sin 76 sin 16 plus cos 76 cos 16. Division, this value cos A sin B, otherwise sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. It is sin A plus B. Cos A sin B, otherwise sin A cos B. So it is sin A plus B. 76 plus 60. Here 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin A sin B, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Cos A minus B, 76 minus 16 minus cos A plus B, cos 76 plus 16. This value cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. It is cos A minus B. 76 minus 16. Division of this value sin 6 6 12 1 2 7 92. This is 60. This is 60. This value is 60. This value is 60. Cos 60 cos 2 cos 60 minus cos 92 by sin 92. So cos 60 value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 2 cancelled. So here 1 minus cos 92 sin 92 as it is. This is 1 minus cos theta. 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2 means 46. This is sin theta. In half angle means 2 sin theta by 2. That is 46 cos 46. Half angle formulas. So here 2 2 cancelled. 1 sin cancelled. Remaining sin power by cos. Tan 46. So in terms of cot it is cot 44 term. 44 46 90. So opposite to tan cot. So cot 44 is the right answer. Here 2 tan inverse of cos theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 cosec theta given. So this is 2 here. For the elimination of 2, this is suppose alpha, 2 alpha. You take tan inverse 2 alpha. In the tan inverse 2 tan 2 in terms of tan inverse 2 cos theta by 1 minus cos square theta. This is the principle. 2 tan inverse cos theta in terms of tan inverse is cos theta, 2 cos theta by 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 2 tan inverse of 2 by sin theta. Both sides tan inverse removed. 2 cos theta by 1 minus cos square theta is the sin square theta is equal to 2 by sin theta. 2 2 cancelled. So one sin also cancelled. If we make sin common, that is equal to 0. Sin theta is equal to 0 coming. But in the options no 0. That's why sin theta negligible. So remaining cos theta by sin theta is equal to 1. That is cot theta is equal to 1. Automatically tan theta 1. Theta is equal to 5 by 4. This is the alpha. So for the general solution for tan n5 plus alpha. General solution for tan n5 plus alpha. Theta is equal to n5 plus alpha is 5 by 4. Second option is the right. Value of tan of cos inverse 1 by 5 root 2 minus sin inverse 4 by root 17. Options root 29 by 3, 29 by 3, root 3 by 29, 3 by 29. Solution tan of cos inverse 1 by 5 root 2 minus sin inverse of 4 by root 17. Here tan, that's why these two ratios converted to tan in terms of tan inverse. So this for this cos inverse 1 by 5 root 2 is converted to tan inverse of, consider triangle cos inverse adjacent by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse 5 root 2 here, adjacent 1. So this value 25, 50, 50 minus 1, 49. Root 49 is the 7. So here tan in terms of tan inverse 7. After this, sin inverse of 4 by root 17 is equal to tan inverse of, here also draw again. Suppose this is theta, here this is theta, otherwise alpha. 4 by root 17, opposite 4 at the hypotenuse root 17. So here squaring 17 minus 16, 1, root of 1, 1. Here tan 4 by 1, only 4 by. That's why this is written as tan inverse of 7 minus tan inverse of 4. Next, this is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. That formula, tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. Tan inverse of x minus y, 7 minus 4 by 1 plus xy. So tan of tan inverse cancelled. This is 3 by this is 7 into 4, 28 plus 1, 29. 3 by 29. 3 by 29. Fourth option. If tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to 5 by 2, the value of x, how much? First 1 by root 6, second 1 by 6, third 1 by root 3, fourth 1 by root 2. So which is the correct answer? Here solution, tan inverse of 2x plus tan inverse of 3x is equal to 5 by 2 given. This is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So in terms of tan inverse directly, tan inverse 2x plus 3x by 1 minus 2x multiply 3x is equal to 5 by 2. So tan inverse outside tan 90 infinity. This is 5x by 1 minus 6x square is equal to tan 90 infinity. So 5x by infinity is equal to 1 minus 6x square. So this value 0. 1 minus x square is equal to 0. Then 6x square is equal to 1. X square is equal to 1 by 6. X is equal to 1 by root 6. 1 by root 6 where this is the right answer. Actually plus or minus 1 by root 6 here. In the options 1 by root 6 is there. That's why first option is the right answer. Here if 4 cos inverse x plus tan inverse x is equal to 5, then the value of x is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. So here 4 cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is equal to 5 given. So in this 4, separate the 1 cos inverse x, 3 cos inverse x plus another cos inverse x here plus sin inverse x is equal to 5. 3 cos inverse x plus cos inverse x plus sin inverse x formula directly 5 by 2. This value 5 by 2 is equal to 5. After this 3 cos inverse x is equal to 5 minus 5 by 2. So it is 5 by 2. 5 minus 5 by 2 is the 5 by 2. After this cos inverse x is equal to 5 by 6. So he asked me x value. X is equal to cos 5 by 6. It is cos 5 by 6 is the cos 30. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 third option. If 3 sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square minus 4 cos inverse 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square plus 2 tan inverse 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to 5 by 3. Then x value how much? Solution. Put x is equal to tan theta in above equation. Then it is written as 3 sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta minus 4 cos inverse tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 tan inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is equal to 5 by 3. After this 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square sin 2 theta. This is 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square cos 2 theta. This is tan 2 theta according to formula. 3 sin inverse of sin 2 theta minus 4 cos inverse of cos 2 theta plus 2 tan inverse of tan 2 theta is equal to 5 by 3. 3 into sin the sin cancel, 2 theta minus 4 into here 2 theta plus 2 into 2 theta is equal to 5 by 3. This is 6 theta plus 8 theta plus 4 theta is equal to 5 by 3. So here 10 minus 8, 2 theta is equal to 5 by 3 implies theta is equal to 5 by 6. This is the theta value. Whereas theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to tan inverse of x. So here theta tan inverse x is equal to 5 by 6. So x is equal to tan 5 by 6. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3, first option. From the top of the cliff 300 meters high, the top of a tower was observed at an angle of depression 30 degrees. And from the foot of the tower, the top of the cliff was observed at an angle of elevation 45 degrees. The height of the tower is how much? This is the tower. This is the ground. This is the cliff. Height 300 meters. This height is given. This is the tower. Let us it is h length. This is the tower. This is the cliff. So depression angles from top of the cliff to the top of the tower is 30 degrees is given, and foot it is the 45 degrees. So he is asking top of the tower how much distance. So we draw the parallel line to the base. This length is let us x here to here. This length also x because of parallel lines both are. So if here depression is 30, here elevation also 30. Here 45, here elevation 45. These are elevation angles, these are depression angles. Both are equal. So from this diagram, let us A, B, C, D, it is P point. From the triangle, A, B, P, tan 45 is equal to opposite 300 by x. So tan 45 value 1 is equal to 300 by x. Here x value 300. From the triangle, this triangle CDP, from triangle CDP, tan 30 is equal to 300 minus h by 300. So 1 by root 3 tan 30 value, this answer is on cross multiplication 300 is equal to root 3 into 300, root 3 into h. So root 3h taken left side, 300 root 3, this is minus 300, here 300 common, root 3 minus 1 coming, here h, this root 3 sent to right side by root 3. So this 300 written as 100 into root 3, again root 3 minus 1, denominator root 3, this root 3 cancelled. Finally h is equal to 100 into 3 minus root 3, root 3 3, and root 3 into 1 root 3. This is the right answer. So which option is correct? Third option. Third option is right answer. Option third. A tree is broken by wind and its point touches the ground at a point 10 meters from the foot of the tree and makes an angle of 45 degrees with the ground, the entire length of the tree is. Because of wind, this tree broken and fall down on the ground at a distance of 10 meters from the point, these points. Here 45 degrees. Here 45 degrees means this is the right angle triangle. That's why this also 45 length. 45 degrees. 45 degrees means here this length is equal to this 10 meters. Both are equal. If 45 is here, these two lengths are equal in the right angle triangle. So he is asking total length. Total length in that 10 meters having here. This length unknown. This length let us x. X. This is also x length. This is equal to this is given. So from the triangle A, B, D, distance is x. So it is the right angle triangle. X square is equal to 10 square plus 10 square. X square is equal to 200. 100 into 2. 2 into 100. X is equal to 10 root 2. This value 10 root 2. This also 10 root 2. Because of this length both are equal. So entire length is equal to 10 plus 10 root 2. Here 10 common, root 2 plus 1 meters. Third option is the right answer. Third option.